Pro marketing, affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and techniques. Ready to begin with your own affiliate marketing plan? Do you know where to start or how to begin? Do you know what programs will work for you and your business? If you have no clue how to answer these last couple questions, the tips that are listed below are for you. Keep a direct line open to your customers in affiliate marketing. You do not have to be the wizard behind the curtain here. You can have a blog presence, a Twitter account, a Facebook fan page, or other methods by which customers can contact you about the product and/or service. Be a personable affiliate. When you're leading with an advertisement as an affiliate, it's always a good idea to make a strong recommendation for one and only one product. You do not want to pitch the product to sell, you're not in the business of used cars here. Instead, recommend it by extolling the virtues of the product. To make the most money from your affiliate marketing efforts, you need to focus your time and energy on meeting your customers' interests. When they find that your page contains information they want, they are also going to be interested in the ads you have about the same subject. You can help your local businesses advertise their goods by featuring them through affiliate marketing links on your website. This is a great way to build lasting business relationships that can help you make money, at the same time as keeping business local. Affiliate marketing links are a great way to make some extra cash. Select your affiliations carefully. Take some time to look at the different options available for different services and products. Think about what your readers like, or may possibly need. Also, change your ads around often to see which ones are more effective, try different ads and use different graphics. Run your affiliate marketing business like a business. If you want to make money, you have to treat your work like a job. Establish set hours to work and set tasks to do. Set up goals for yourself to accomplish and stick to them. In that way, you will be able to measure your progress and stay motivated for success. If you find an affiliate program where the company is filling your head with the idea that you are going to make a fortune right from the start, keep looking for a company to work with. There is no way to get rich quick through affiliate marketing, and anyone telling you that you can is trying to fool you. If your goals in affiliate marketing include enormous profits, do not think you will make the big bucks working alone in your spare bedroom. It is not easy to make a fortune through affiliate marketing, but it is not impossible, either. To develop such big business, though, you must go into business professionally. That means employees and offices and consultants and all the headaches they bring. Do you know how to begin your own affiliate marketing plan now? Can you now find a place to begin with it? Do you know what will work for your business? If you can now provide an answer to these questions, then you have read and understood the previous tips and are ready to become a better affiliate marketer. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.